Applying epoxy in summer isn't as straightforward as it sounds. If you don't account for the heat, you're asking for a whole lot of wasted product. Let's run through the key things to keep in mind when you're working your warmer months. First up, temperature affects everything. Epoxy is a chemical reaction. The hotter it gets, the faster that reaction happens. What normally gives you 30 to 40 minutes hot life in cool weather might only give you 20 to 30 minutes in summer. That's a huge difference. And if you're not prepared, you'll be chasing your tail. Always check the technical data sheet of the product you're using and factor in real site conditions, not just the forecast. Substrate temperature matters more than ambient air temperature. Concrete can hold heat, so even if the air feels fine, the slab might be sitting at 45 degrees or more. That extra heat speeds up curing and can even cause bubbles and gassing. The scary part, you might not notice until you've rolled out half the floor. Always check the slab temperature to make sure it's within the recommended range before you start. Now, let's talk storage and mix it. Don't leave your epoxy sitting in the sun. Warmer resin and hardener will kick off faster and can even stop curing the bucket. Keep your kit stored somewhere cool, have correct heat, and only mix what you know you can roll out in time. Application and timing are just as critical. Plan your job around the heat of the day. Early mornings and late afternoons are your friend. Try to roll out a floor at midday January is setting yourself up for problems, both with the coating and with your crew. Remember, once epoxy is applied, it'll cure faster in the heat. So, you've got to be ready to work with that window. Ventilation is another one to think about. Summer often means closed spaces with fans or aircon blasting, but epoxy still needs airflow to cure evenly. Don't sacrifice finished quality for comfort. Find that balance between workable space and proper curing conditions. And finally, safety. Heat stress and heat stroke is no joke. Stay hydrated, take breaks, look out for yourself and others. To wrap it up, applying epoxy in summer primarily comes down to preparation and timing. Keep your products cool, measure your substrate temperatures, and work smart around the heat of the days. Get those right, and you'll get a great finish even when temperatures are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.